Good day, guys. Welcome to Trendywood channel. Trendywood channel is a channel that talks about how to create flyer using your smartphone, specifically Pixellab. In this channel, you'll learn how to create birthday flyer, comedy flyer, birthday design, and also some other principles of graphic design, and also some theoretical aspects of graphic design. So if this is your first time of coming to this channel, please kindly subscribe, share, like, and also comment. So today we'll be talking about fonts, how to use fonts, how to know the right font to use, and how to choose a perfect font for your project. So just stick with me to the end of this video. So first of all, before we dive into fonts, now let's talk about typeface. There's a difference between typeface and fonts. Now let me show you the difference between a typeface and fonts. Now typeface is a design characteristics which involve style, number, symbols, or a specific style. Now for example, let me illustrate something. Then why font is a version of that particular style or that particular symbol. Now don't get confused. Now let me show you. Let me say, for instance, we are to write how. Let me make it bold. Now, because if you don't understand this, you cannot understand what I'm about to teach regarding how to choose fonts. So let me say, for instance, and typeface also, in let me say commonly, if you ask anybody what's the meaning of typeface, literally they will tell you is simply how you arrange your text. Partially, on a scale of 1 to 100, that's 70% correct. I think that's just the general meaning. If you ask anybody, okay, what's typeface, they will tell you is literally how you arrange your text. That's the popular definition of typeface. But now I'm telling you that typeface is a design characteristics which involve style, symbol, punctuation, or number to pass a particular message. Now let me go to my fonts. Let me show what I'm talking about. Let me use a font that has family. Now this fonts, now the fonts, sorry, this is typeface. The typeface is font scheme as a family. Now the name of this family, now okay, now let me use school setting so that you understand. Now for instance, we have faculty, we have departments in school. Now for example, this font scheme is the name of the faculty. Department is under faculty. This font scheme is the name of what? The faculty. This is the typeface. That's the general name, font scheme. Then under this font scheme now, we have different fonts. I told you that font is the version of the style, the number, the position, and the design. So now under this font scheme now, we have fonts, which is now from this font scheme now, we have what we call, we have the pumpkin thin, we have the Tintalic, we have the extra lights, we have the extra lights, we have the pumpkin regular. So now all these we have the pumpkin semi bold, we have the pumpkin bold, we have the medium. So the medium, the semi bold, the bold are departments under this faculty of pumpkin. Why the typeface is the faculty? I think now you understand what I'm saying. Now for example, now let me say we're about to use pumpkin typeface. You tap on pumpkin, you do it okay. Now generally this is pumpkin, but under that, generally this is pumpkin typeface, but under that pumpkin typeface we use the semi version font of pumpkin. Now we enter the faculty, Generally, we are in the faculty of pump scheme, but under the faculty, we use a specific font, which is a department. Now, let me say generally, okay, let's just say I'm a student admitted into any university. Then my faculty is pump scheme. But under that pump scheme, I'm doing a different course that is called pump scheme board. And this is the course. Now, let's say, for example, another student was admitted into that same faculty. Now, this same student again now is doing something like pump scheme medium. Are you seeing? That's a D. So now, the typeface is the original name of the fonts. Let me don't confuse you. The typeface is the original name of the text, while the font is the version of the typeface. We have the bold. Like now, this is a light one. Let me also show you another one again. This is the lights, extra light. We have the lights, we have the extra light. Are you seeing the extra light? So this is the typeface is the original name of the text, while the font is the version of that text. So now, I think we are done with that. So generally, let me show you. We have different type of fonts. We have more than this, but these are just the 5 basic ones that are popular. So now we have serif, we have sans serif, we have script, we have slab serif, we have display and decorative. These are the 5 main type of fonts that we have. So now let me show you how you use them and how to use them. That's the main reason why we are here. So now we'll start from serif fonts. Now, serif font, let me just break it down into a layman understanding. Now, serif fonts are those fonts that has a little line at the end part of it. Now, if you check this F now, you see that it has a little line at the ending part. And this font now is associated with trust, respect, tradition, class, formal, elegance. Now, these are the things you consider before you choose your font, and is best used for financial companies, fashion brand, editorials, college. Now, this is one of the brand, Dior and JP Morgan. So that's why you see, if you're giving a design to work on, let me say a boutique flyer, the best fonts to use is serif fonts, because it describes. From the font alone, you will know what this thing is talking about. Then I will drop this picture. Okay. Then the second one is sans serif. Sans serif. Now, sans serif. Now, sans serif is associated with straightforward, trust, modern, clean, minimal, best for technology brand, sports brand, model, and style up. Now, for those of us that are that specializes on church flyer design design, sans serif is the best font for us, because one, it is readable, it doesn't stress the eye while you're reading it. And now for the brand aspects, now they use this for Microsoft and LinkedIn. Then the second one is script fonts. Now, if you understand the psychology or the meaning of these fonts, you will know how to use them. Now, script font now is mainly for fancy. This script font is also called signature. It's mainly for fancy, elegance, creative, and what? Whimsical. Best for food company, elegance, children, and fashion. Now, if you're doing all these children flyer design, probably end of year party, script is welcome. If you're doing happy birthday, script is welcome. If you're doing food, script is welcome. If you're doing fashion brand, You can mix it with serif and script depending on how mature you are to handle these two things. You can mix the both of them together. Like now Instagram and Coca-Cola. Instagram is a brand on its own. Coca-Cola is a company on its own. So are you seeing? Then the last one, this one is slab serif. Now slab serif can function anywhere based on what you want to use it for. We have versatile, we have confidence, solid, natural. Best for technology brand, innovative idea, automotive industry. Now sans serif can function anywhere depending on what you want to use it for, but mostly it is always good when you use it for technology industries and the rest. Then this one is display fonts. Now this display font is just casual fonts, mainly for fonts, unique, mainly for fun, is unique, personality, best for food related company, children focused brand, like Pampers, like all these picnic design, all these children hangouts, like let me say old school day, Sunday vibe, all those casual activities. This is where you use your display font. Then lastly, let me show you how to use your fonts. Now I told you that typeface is the original name of the text, while font is the version of the text. Now are you seeing that we have light, we have medium, we have bold? This was what I was trying to explain using Pumpkin's typeface. Now we have light. Light font is for delicate, soft and modern, best for paragraph text. Let me say for instance you're working on a design that you are asked to enlist some things, just outline some things. You use light font so that easily. Now the reason why you're using it is the reason why you use it is it will help your audience to read what you've written, and it will not make the design to be heavy or busy. Then we have medium weight. Now medium weight is also for what? Readability, clean and scripts, best for paragraph text. It will also help your audience to read what you've written, and it will not make the design to be heavy. It will not make the design to be busy for nothing. There are some design that just the way they outline the list of the whole thing, you just get confused and you just shy away from the design, be like, no. Then the last one is bold weights. Bold weights now indicate strong, powerful, attention. Now anything you want people to see first in a design, that's where you use your bold weights. It uses to lay emphasis, best for headlines and title. This is where you use your theme, you use for your title. Maybe you want to create something awareness, you need something intriguing. This is where you use your bold weight font. So guys, we've come to the end of this tutorial. So for the sake of others, I will drop all these pictures. I will drop all these pictures. I will drop a link where you can actually go to download all the pictures and just go there, use it to guide your design process. And please do have to join my Telegram group. I will drop the link there. We share details and also help each other out. Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next tutorial.